Hold on, already I'm concerned. I'm concerned. Well, what type of car is that? Second, for one, in the beginning, was there a pothole?
Hey son, put your seatbelt on, now!
I don't like seatbelts. I don't want to! I don't want to!
Why?
Spoiled brat!
Hold on. First of all, why won't you put the seatbelt on? You see, if you're in the highway, if you're in a car, that's the law. Put the seatbelt on. It's okay to want to put a seatbelt on. But people in real life, just put it on. Keep it simple. You feel me?
You're an adult for crying out loud!
Dang! You don't have to be that bad.
Ah! No!
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I see that correctly, or am I tripping? But first of all, there's this dude that's flying. You see him on my screen, but there's some dude flying. I guess he said you're an adult. He said he's an adult. You don't want to put your seatbelt on. That's what happens when you don't put your seatbelt on. We are 38 seconds into the video. That's what happens when you don't put your seatbelt on. Hold on, let me go back. So, what happens if you don't put your seatbelt on? Hold on, pause. Hold on. See, if you wonder what happens if you don't put your seatbelt on, this happens. Yup. I figured that's gonna happen. Dang, hold on. You see how fast the cars go? Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I just see what I think I just see? Hold on. See, this guy chilling with his dad on a motorcycle. Yep, I saw it. It's kind of disgusting, but I saw it. Oh, it's disgusting. But no one. I'm not gonna pause that many times, but I have to.